Welcome to Frizzy's Playhouse. Today we're gonna be playing with clay and we're gonna make different animals out of this clay. We're also gonna try to use this roller pin to make it flat so we can print these animals on this clay. So let's get started, shall we? So the color of the clay that we have is red. We're gonna be working with red today. So while I'm taking this out, let's name things that are in color red. So can we think of something that's red? Yes, apple is red. What else is red? Strawberries are red. Good job, yes. So, let's try making a duck. Let's make this clay into a shape of a duck. We can either press it on and just take off the edges. Wow. Let's try a rabbit. So since this is too thin, let's make this smaller and thin so we can get a better shape of it. Let's roll this out. We're gonna press it on here. Just a little bit more. And then we're gonna take it out. Wow, such a pretty rabbit. Now let's try a cow. Let's mix this up with the rest of the clay. And repeat the process. We're gonna make it thinner by rolling it. Let's make it a little more thin. Then we're gonna press it on again. Just a little bit more so we can have a perfect shaped cow. And then same thing as we did last time, we'll peel this off. The axis will peel the axis off and then gently remove Wow, such a beautiful cow. We can see the foot of the cow, the face, the body. We can tell this is a cow. Let's try this blue one. Do you want to press 2 instead of 1? Let's try doing 2. So we're going to take the entire clay so it's bigger. And then we're going to roll a bigger clay. Thin, but bigger so we can fit 2. Do you think we can fit 2? Let's make it a little more thin. Let's do this blue one. And this blue one. I think one is a rhinoceros. And then the other one, it's a dragon. Do you think we can fit this duck as well? Let's give it a try. Yes, we can. Just precisely. Do you think we can fit another one? Let's try this duck. Uh-oh, no, we can't. It's okay. Let's do this 3 first. Wow. These are coming out so perfect. Nicely done. Okay, now we have this one. I think this is a swan. What do you guys think? Let's give this a try. Let's do it upside down and see how it turns out. Nice. We did it upside down so the edges aren't perfect, but it's still good. Thanks for watching Frizzy's Playhouse. Till next time.